On the afternoon of 23rd January 2022, concerned citizens of the state held a sit-in demonstration at KHYNDAILAD, Shillong to protest against atrocities committed on members of the Minority Committee of Meghalaya. Speaking to newspersons, S.K. Chaudhary informed that since 1979, there had been crimes and atrocities committed on the minorities of the state, and these have been continuing till date without anyone being nabbed or arrested for such actions. He added that the protest will continue should there be future incidents of such degree committed on innocent citizens of the state of Meghalaya.
Protest is about the atrocities. You can well understand from these placards that from since 1979 it has started, and till today, till the day of Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya. Previous day it was pre-celebration and injured 8 person, innocent person. So for this reason we are sitting on strike, that this should not happen. This should not happen. It is a cosmopolitan city. Why this enmity? So these are the problem is going on last 50 years, and no one make any protest for any illegal work take place, illegality take place. Anyone beaten up, anyone burned to death, one house is looted, one shopkeeper's shop is looted, but nobody object. Even the local people do not object. You see, so much of crime has taken place, but no one is yet convicted or kept in jail. Whenever somebody is caught, next day he or she is released on bail. So that's the reason we have started this. This is a beginning, and we'll continue this.